This morning, we're also tracking the rise in COVID cases across the country. New infections in the U.S. averaging 30,000 cases per day, up 70% since June. All this as school is about to start for many kids across the country, and a new warning from a leading pediatrics group that kids should mask up. ABC's Andrea Fugee has more from New York. Andrea, good morning.
Good morning, Walt. That alarming rise in COVID cases has Wall Street worried as Monday had its worst day of the year. Right now, case numbers are where they were last fall before vaccines were available.
This morning, the CDC is under pressure to revisit its COVID-19 guidance once again after a leading group of pediatricians Monday called for students to mask up when schools reopen for the fall. The American Academy of Pediatrics is going against CDC recommendations, telling parents that students and teachers should wear masks this fall regardless of vaccine status.
You know, they're a thoughtful group. They analyze the situation, and if they feel that that's the way to go, I think that's a reasonable thing to do.
It comes as the highly contagious Delta variant fuels a spike in infections across the country. Health officials say nearly all new infections and deaths are among unvaccinated people. In Vail, Arizona, students are returning to class this week with no masks required after much debate among the school board and parents.
We are excited to open up normal as possible.
And now a federal judge setting a possible precedent for college students after ruling that Indiana University can require students to show proof of vaccination.
Over the weekend, Mississippi, which has one of the lowest vaccination rates in the country, saw the biggest jump in COVID cases since February. The state's top doctor said the fourth wave is here. Walt, back to you.
Andrea, thank you. Officials in Stanislaus County now asking certain people to mask up indoors, even if you're fully vaccinated. That includes folks 65 and older and people at high risk of getting COVID. Public health leaders say they're worried about rising cases because of the highly contagious Delta variant.